Hey everyone! Today we're going to be learning how to embed a video in Google Slides. So the first step is going to be to go on your web browser and type slides.google.com and click enter. Once you're here, you're going to click on your presentation. Alright, and now you're going to choose the slide you want the video to be on. And this is good for people who are more visual learners and keeps your presentation more engaging. So I'm going to choose this slide to put my video on. Now there's 3 ways you can go ahead and insert a video. To start that process, you're going to go ahead and click on Insert in the top menu bar. Click where it says Video. Alright, so the 3 ways to insert your video is to search up your YouTube video in the search bar, or you can go ahead and find your video through your Google Drive, or you can also just paste your video in this YouTube search bar. Alright, here is my video. I'm going to click insert. Hey everyone! Alright, here is where you can resize or move your video just to adjust it. Alright, so on the right side of the screen where it says format options, you can choose how you want your video to play, if you want it to play on click, automatically, or manually. Or you can choose the start and stop time you want the video to play. Alright, once you've made your decision as to how you want your video to play on your slide, you're going to close this out. And you also want to make sure that you preview your slideshow to make sure the video comes out the way that you want. And just like that, you've embedded a video in Google Slides.